doing a good job, buddy. I'm proud of you. Once you get that one off, then I'll teach you how to do that one. We'll get the splash shields off this. And then we're going to get the radiator out of here, bud. And we'll start disassembling the front of the motor, okay?
How do I connect it?
You need an extension, buddy? Here you go. Here you go, buddy. Let's do this. You need to upgrade. Here you go, buddy. Yep, put it down there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Make sure you're on it all the way so you don't strip it, bud. Yep, hit the trigger. Good job, bud. You're off. Good job.
Oh, Dave, that's easy.
Yep.
Oh, that's too close.
You did a good job, buddy.
Hold on.
I'm proud of you.
Hold on.